Formed by underground river. So once upon a time this was an inland sea dried up, then the rivers were flowing, the rivers flowed underground and they channeled out these cave systems just by the water running through. Because we're in limestone country, it's very sedimentary, it rots away very quickly, wears away. So that's what's caused these
අද එකපාරක් හරි වද්දගත්තේ නැත්තම් වැඩකුත් නැහැ. හයියෙන් වද්ද ගන්න ඕනේ. ඔළුව හයියෙන් වද්ද ගන්න ඕනේ මතක් වෙන්න Buchan Caves.
It's called limestone. So it's created by the water running over the top and leaving its deposits. So when we get lots and lots of rain, the water will flood over the top of there. You can see those lovely pools now. It'll fill the next pool and then it'll run down. And that's quite beautiful to see. They call it Niagara Falls.